Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. This will be part 2 of my paint sticks hacks. So if you haven't watched that, I will have the link down in the description box so you can go check out part 1. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. Alright, so for this video I will be using the leftovers from my previous video. And I wasn't able to use the quart size, so I am going to use them here. Plus, I had some Walmart paint sticks. I had a 3-gallon and the 1-gallon ones. So that is what I'm going to work with. Starting with my first project, I'm going to use 4 of these sticks, which these are leftover. I'm going to cut the little handle part off. Now I'm going to glue these in a square. I am going to use hot glue, but I do recommend you using wood glue so it can be nice and sturdy. To paint this, I will be using the Waverly Antique Wax. Now you can honestly just use this as a frame, like you can add a picture on it, but I decided to just add these flowers on the side, and I got these from Michael's. They were on sale, so I think I paid like $1 for each little pick. And that is it. Look how beautiful and high-end this turned out. For my next project, I'm using these 4 leftover pieces. Now, they are different sizes. So what I'm going to do is just cut off the handle from all 4 of these. I will be using a scent sheet to smooth out all the edges. Now for this, I am going to make like a little decorative box. So I'm going to glue these into a square. I'm using hot glue, but I do recommend you using wood glue. I will be using the quart size for the bottom part. I thought this was going to be like long enough, but they were actually a little bit too big, so I do end up cutting a little bit of the edge. The last thing I will be doing is painting this, but that is it for this cute decorative box, which you can honestly decorate it however you like. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree vase and the quart size paint sticks. I will be using a total of 20 of these quart size paint sticks. Now I am going to cut a little bit of one side. Then I'm going to glue 3 on each side, and the first one I'm going to glue it straight, and the other 2 on the side are going to be a little bit slanted to where there is going to be a space in between them. And this is how it looks. Now to cover the little spaces, I will be gluing some more paint sticks. Once I was done adding them, this is how it looks. Now I am going to paint this using the Waverly Antique Wax. So you can totally paint these before you glue them to the vase. I just didn't. So I did paint some of the clear plastic, and I just used a wipe to wipe that off. But that is it. Now the last thing I did was just add some boxwood greenery. This is from Walmart. For my next project, I'm going to use 2 of these packs. These are from Walmart. Now, as I was mentioning in my previous video, that the Walmart 5 come in a pack instead of 10 like the ones at Home Depot and Lowe's. Now I'm going to just place all of these together side by side. And to glue these together, I am going to use some of the quart paint sticks. I will be adding 4 on the back. I did cut off the little edges so it can just look nicer. I will be painting this using the Waverly Antique Wax. Now I'm going to use this ribbon. I'm going to cut 2 pieces and then glue them from the back on each side. Then I'm going to just like weave them through the little holes until they meet in the center. Then I will be making a bow with the leftover. To decorate this, I had this galvanized home sign, which I got from Walmart, but Dollar Tree carries so many different wordings that you can use. And because it didn't fit straight, I am going to glue this slanted. But that is it. Look how beautiful this home sign turned out. For my next project, I'm going to use these 5-gallon sticks. These are from Walmart. Now I'm going to use 2 packs, but I'm using 4 of the sticks. And from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use these boxes, which I'm going to remove the little plaque that it has on each side. I tried to smooth out the little holes with this scent sheet paper, but that didn't work out. Now I'm going to start gluing the paint sticks, 1 on each side, on the center, and the boxes, one's going to be like all the way at the top, and the other one like almost a little bit below halfway. If you haven't guessed what I made, it's like a little planter. Now I'm going to paint this using the Waverly Antique Wax. After this is dry, you can add whatever you like to this, but that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. Using the leftover 5-gallon sticks, I am going to make like a ladder for the little steps. I will be using some of the quart size. I painted this using the Waverly Antique Wax. Now I added some jute twine at the top part of my little ladder to decorate this. I then added a clear hook so I can add a wreath, and that is it. Look how beautiful my little decorative ladder turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comments section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.